Making sure my volume is up. Hey, I wanted to say hello, give you a little feedback in audio and video. So for this particular discussion post, so that you're ready for future discussions. I think we have a couple more this term. So one thing, I want you to check the rubric. Actually, let me start with thank you for submitting. It is nice to meet you, nice to know you. I'm very glad to have you. I want you to check the rubric because that will tell you how I'm grading each discussion board. I also would highly recommend you check the syllabus, please, for all the requirements. And if you have not already, check the late policy. Just a reminder that the initial post for every discussion board is due on Friday, and then the peer responses are due on Tuesday. Typically, grading feedback will be given by no later than Friday. So, for example, let's say week 1 ended this past Tuesday evening, week 2 started Wednesday, and Friday, your initial post is due for week 2 if we had one. But I will also have grades done by tonight. Okay, no later than tonight. Could be earlier, but no later than tonight. Again, your peer responses are due Tuesday of that particular week. So again, your weeks start on Wednesday morning and they end every Tuesday evening, right? So the peer responses are due the Tuesday at the end of that corresponding week. Again, the initial post is due on that Friday, and I will have grades due for the previous week on the day that your initial post is due. If you have any questions or I confused you at all, please reach out. I will leave my email also in the comment section. Again, check the rubric. I'll give a little extra information there as well. So I reach out if you have any questions. You have my email, you have my number on the main page. So welcome to the class and glad to have you.